guys, today I'm gonna be playing monkey racing, which is a game that I used to have, but I didn't play, and today I'm joined by my cousin, Francis. Do you have a YouTube channel, bruh?
No.
So, okay, guys, make sure you go and, what's your social medias? Where are they?
Press play.
Okay.
Play 2.
Multiplayer?
Yeah.
So,
Wi-Fi up.
Wi-Fi. Okay,
Check.
so,
Dale el de arriba up. You press, yeah.
create
press
game.
down. Now pick which one you want to pick. Like number 1, 2.
Yeah, number 1, okay.
And now fix your car. Let me fix mine.
How do I fix it out? Oh yeah, I remember.
There's a lot of things in there.
Hey, what?
Ooh,
I'm trying to click this, look.
my shit will be looking nice.
Look, I'm trying to click it, but it doesn't let me.
Which one do you want to click? Wait. No. Go, you right there, you stupid. Are you dumb or what?
Oh, thanks.
Ooh, mine be looking fresh.
Oh, shoot. Look at this ride, boy.
Oh my nigga, what? Yo, I'm gonna trash you on this. Like you ass. You ready?
Nah, not yet.
Bro, that shit be looking gay for real.
I want the outside, bro. How do I do the outside?
What are you talking about?
No, like the outside, bro. Like that.
¿De qué tú hablas?
Eso, mira como lo rojo. Lo que está rojo.
Lo morado. Oh, the outside?
Yeah.
That's the red one. You can change the red one. Hurry up,
No,
bro.
like the red stuff. I want to change.
Nigga, you changing it.
Like that.
You ready?
Nah.
Damn, bro, you taking too much out.
That shit looks lit. I need the wheels.
Who like a hot or something? Man, hurry up.
That's good.
No, I gotta press check. Now you press it. I'm gonna trash you, bro.
We good.
Let me put my noise a little bit out.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Where are you, bro? Oh, you're right there, I see.
Yeah, the red one.
How do you upgrade your character?
I don't know. Let's play first. Bro, you in the back?
You in the back.
Bro, you the yellow one. What the fuck? You the last one. Feel bad for you. I'm out. Damn, I couldn't get the fire.
I keep crashing.
Get the fire. Get the yellow team.
Freak.
Bro, you don't know how to play this?
Yes, I don't.
I'm out get first. Bae. Ooh.
You're number 2.
Nigga, I'm number 5. Now I'm 4. This fucking monkey.
I'm 6.
Ooh, number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Yeah, number 3.
I'm last, bro.
Bro, you suck.
Obviously, because you keep playing. You play this.
I never played this. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you have.
I never played this.
Uh-huh. Bro, I remember we used to play this a long freaking time.
What is you talking about?
Bro, I remember.
Oh, number 2, I think.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to try to shoot someone.
Damn.
From back here.
Number 6. 6. Ah, get your hand out. Number 6, bro. You the last? You want to play again? Rematch?
I lost.
Rematch?
Boy, they hit.
Bro,
Yeah, okay.
You slow. Look, that's me right there. Play shoot. Well, 5. That's good. Not that
Who
bad.
got 6?
I don't know. You saw that monkey in the back.
Fuck. You said that was you.
Bro, I said I was number 2. I might be number 1 now, bet.
If you could.
Pick number 2.
No.
Yeah, now let's go. Press check.
No, I'm not going in this car.
You have to se va el Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Then you can fix it. Bro, I'm gonna try to do it.
I suck.
Look,
Why am I always the last one
I'm
back
gonna let
here?
you go in the front.
Why am I always the last one back here?
I'm gonna let you go in the front. Go. See? Guys, I let him go in the front. You will see now. You don't know what is about to come out,
I'm gonna shoot
bro.
someone.
I'm gonna shoot you. Look. Right there.
I got someone.
Ooh, again.
Nope, I dodged
like 20
it.
times.
I dodged
Damn!
it. I got you.
Yo, that's
It's messed up, right?
Yeah, now I'm gonna pass everybody with this yellow team. Oh, I'm gonna pass
Yo,
it right
look
now.
at me.
Goodbye. Nigga, move!
You
Yo.
can't.
I'm gonna shoot you right now, but goodbye.
Freak.
Goodbye.
I crashed. That's why you're in front of me. Only reason why.
Still, bro. Ooh, I'll be shooting this monkey. The monkey.
I can't
Number
even
4.
see you on this.
Cause I'm fire, bro. Like, what are you thinking, bro?
I keep being last.
Like, bro, what are you thinking?
How are you so fast, bro?
Cause you gotta get the yellow team, so you can be fast. Damn, that makes you go fast.
Someone already finished. Bro.
Number 4. Number 4.
You,
Bro, you number 6? For real, bro?
I lost.
I'm trying to play. Oh my God. Rematch?
Obviously, I want to upgrade my car. This sucks.
Okay, wait. You can't put it good, cause you don't win nothing. You always be
I don't
last.
care. I still want to change it.
Don't be last then. Wait, what the frick?
I still want to change my car.
Well, press 1. I gotta
Press
watch a
3.
video. Me tengo que ver un video.
So I can upgrade it?
Yeah, you two gotta watch a video.
Oh, shit.
Then you can fix it.
And then if the internet goes out and we can play together, we'll do it again.
J-Paw. My link in bio.
I only need to win. If I win in fourth or if I win fourth up, I'm happy.
Good. Obviously. Oh my gosh. Something happened here.
No, I can upgrade it.
Wait.
I'm gonna roll this dice.
Se me fue el Wi-Fi. You gotta go back.
Shit.
And we gotta wait. Cause mine is charging.
Let's do one round without each other.
That's gonna be
Do you wanna do it like that?
no.
Okay.
Agábalo que mi teléfono no funciona.
Oh, so guys, it doesn't work on his phone anymore. It's not working. Guys, leave a like if you want to see us playing this again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it is, say it. Say it. Smash the like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Peace. I'm joking.